Hello and welcome to my cooking channel. Today we're going to learn how to make butter chicken. Without further delay, let's get started. Let's take a look at the required ingredients first. Take a screenshot of this. Firstly, marinate the chicken with a little salt for about 20 minutes, which will drain the extra water in the chicken. Then marinate the chicken for 30 minutes with the mentioned ingredients. Oil or butter in a hot vessel and spread it throughout the entire vessel. Fry the chicken until golden brown. Put it aside. Put oil or butter in a separate vessel and add cardamom, cloves, and cinnamon. Fry it until you smell the aroma of the spices. Put ginger garlic paste over the spices and mix it well. Add turmeric powder, salt, coriander powder, cumin powder, black pepper, and Kashmiri chili powder. Mix it well for about 30 seconds. Add chopped tomatoes, mix well, and fry for 30 seconds. Add chopped onions and give it a mix. Add dried chili and cashews. Fry for another 30 seconds and cover with a lid. Remove the lid after 10 seconds. Add water and give the mixture a good mix. Cook for 10 minutes. Remove the lid, pour the mixture into a blender and blend until smooth. Pour the blended mixture into a warm vessel. Add fried chicken pieces and mix for 5 minutes. Add water, mix again, cover with a lid and cook for another 10 minutes. Sprinkle a bit of fenugreek on the top of the preparation and serve it with parathas or naans. Goes well with fried rice as well.